Okay, we got a big day here today. It's going to be Mark and his maiden voyage. We've got the field all to ourselves. See, nobody out here. It's looking pretty good. He's getting ready over there. He's doing some flight prep. He's working on his mosquito coverage here. So, anyways, here is the plane. This is the Super Flying King. And we were just looking on the phone this morning. When we first took pictures of it after he completed it was 2019. So it's been a while, and it's about time for this thing to get airborne. But we're missing something right here. I can't remember what it is. It's just not ready to go. Oh, yeah, the wing. That's right. Okay, let's go take a look at the wing over here. Here's the wing sitting in the trailer, and I'm probably going to have to put this camera down and help him get this off here, because this wing is 120? 132 inches long. Pretty big wing. So anyways, I'm going to take a little break here and get this off. Probably not that bad.
That's tight.
All right, so the plane is pretty much put together at this point. Mark has fueled it. He's done a range check on it. He's just kind of going over the surfaces now, make sure everything is lined up. We have the plane tethered to a table over here. Give it some resistance, although I'll be there to help hold it while he's running up. We're going to check the engine at this point, make sure everything is copacetic there. And that's about it for now. Ignition is hot. Ready? Ready. got some pull.
Is it pull hard enough?
Yeah, luckily we got this tether here. Probably would have just toppled me over, you know.
It pulls hard, I remember that.
I think this will hold back like 15, 20 pounds. It looks like the engine runs, and it seems like it's tuned about right. I think it's still a little bit rich, but it's a brand new engine, so that's okay. It can run a little bit rich for now. But so big question is, when are we going to start here? Because we're at an active airfield, an active uncontrolled airfield, and so we're kind of waiting. We heard somebody calling that they were coming in from the west, and so west is over there. We'll see what happens. Part of the fun of having an airfield that's actually on an airfield is we've got other things going on, and this is one of them right here. So yeah, we've got a college nearby that I think they have a course on how to fly a helicopter, and they come here, and part of the rules of being, you know, a field that's operating on top of an airfield that we have to do according to the FAA is we have to yield right of way to all full-scale aircraft. So anyways, we have to do these rules where we yield right of way, so when they come around we have to pretty much ground everything out and just wait for them to get done doing what they're doing. And but the helicopters, they're a little more fun because they like to sit around and kind of hover for a while. They'll come in and they'll do a bunch of these pseudo landings on the runway, and then they'll take off again. And so anyways, we got a little bit of a delay here while we're waiting for this guy to continue and finish his operations. And yeah, other than that, the plane is standing by. Yep. Comes for another landing. Yeah, boy. Mark has likened this to like icing the kicker in the final seconds of the game. You got the plane out, got it all put together, got it run up, got it tested, everything's in place, and then the other team calls a timeout.
Sit and wait.
Sit and wait. He's not even going to come down here and take a look at us because he knows that he's just pissing us off. I don't know what the best way to see that is. Okay, you can see him on there. It looks like he's actually heading west, so he might be out of the pattern and out of here, which is good for us. But I'm kind of glad that he's got his little indicator thing turned on today, because usually when he shows up he does not have it on, and so it's kind of nice. We did get a lot more warning than we normally do because sometimes they just show up, but that's also why we have the radio here, so we can monitor when they're coming in. Okay, Mark's back on the surfaces again. Looks like we're doing the dance. Everything looks ready. And he is continuing on his way. So, let's do some other stuff here. Okay. You ready?
Ignition's off.
Okay, show the choke. Ignition is off. Going to on. Ignition's hot. Ready?
Ready.
Ooh. It's back here. Choke off. Ignition's hot. see how it handles on this. Kind of a rough runway, so to speak. Just kind of a flat plane that we got this.
Why doesn't it turn rough?
This stuff is a weird kind of grass. Take a look at it. It's pretty bunchy and spread out. They call it salt grass. He's checking to see how that rudder responds right now. He's saying it's turning better to the right, not the left. And whilst he is doing that, I'll check my phone here to make sure that that helicopter is gone, and hopefully see if anybody else is coming. A little bit rich. He's running 32 to 1. And that helicopter is way gone right now. He's back over a nearby town at this point. So nobody there. I don't see anybody else in the pattern. Looking that way is not exactly bulletproof though, because some of these pilots fly without an indicator on them that their plane is transmitting. So what you think, buddy?
I think I'm ready.
Well, you know what they say. It's going to happen. It'll happen out there. Oh, wow. Look at that. He's up and out of here. Okay, I'm going to have to turn this camera off so I can help him. How you doing on controls? You need more input?
I think I'm good.
Okay. So you're flying like a flying king at this point?
Pretty much. Third try, maybe.
Oh, baby. That looks nice. Had a great looking takeoff. Yep. So it looked like the only thing that he needed was a little bit of down elevator in it, because it was climbing the minute it started down the runway. So got that trimmed out. Doing a flap test.
That was about flaps.
How's it look? Do you want to shoot some more approaches? A little bit lower? I don't want you to hurry your approach. I want you to know what it looks like every time you come in. So. Engine sounds really good.
Alright, tell me where I need to
Tell you what?
Tell me where I should approach to. Right here?
Be lower. Yeah. You gonna use them? Well, probably. You're used to them.
slow down.
Yep.
Am I too high?
I don't know. At that speed, you might be just fine. Nice. Oh, that's beautiful. We got to do a little bit of wheel turning there. Nice. Yeah, baby. Oh no. Is that a mole hole? Oh, shoot. All right, we'll send out the crew to go get that one. I think you dropped the wheel in a hole. That's the other thing about these kind of airports is we got gophers and other things. Badgers. Badgers, they make big holes. Anyways, that's Mark's first flight. Show me your hands.
Actually, pretty fun.
Yeah, I think I'm more jittery than you are. Huh.